finna fix it and make it look better. Bad news is it won't be done till next Thursday, next week. So it won't be a basketball. Won't be able to play basketball for a while. Just to all of y'all that be coming to Jean Green Park. Unless you wanna come up here and chill, sitting outside, relaxing, do something else, you can still come. Shit, if you play basketball, that's the only reason why you come up here. Don't come, cause so you won't waste your gas. There goes somebody right now with basketball in their hand. I had came with one too. I said, fuck it, I'm just gonna be out here and chill. I'd rather sit outside and chill and relax than rather sit in the house. In the house is boring. Outside is way better. There's other things we can do. They're taking the goals down. Going closer so y'all can see better. They gon' put a new basketball goal up on all the 40s. And I think they said they gon' do a new court.